I look like a mess. So ratchet. It's currently 3:30, I guess, and today is Friday. So I'm just quickly checking in before I head out. But I just want to show you what I got yesterday at Miniso. Right. So I got this mirror. I needed it for filming anyway. What it looks like. I'm currently using it right now. I'm currently using it to film. So that's why I'll probably show you after this clip. So this is how it came. It's a LED light. It has a LED light. Quite handy. I love it. I saw it at Miniso and it was quite cheap. It's adjustable. It supports lightning and all of that. So yeah. So it came with a manual as well. I really don't know why a mirror would come with a manual, right? But this is what it's looking like. And let's go grab. So yeah, it's just a couple of things. There's also I got makeup wipes as well. And total was, with VAT inclusive, 10K. So this wipe goes for about 2,500. And I guess the mirror was 7.5, yes, correct. Yeah. 7.5, correct. So I kind of like this. I kind of like it. It's cute, it's compact. I really don't know why I got it because I don't think I enjoy wiping my face with wipes because I know I break out a lot. I don't need it now. I've done my skincare routine, looking all good. And the itinerary for today. Okay, I'm going to be meeting with my photographer today. I have a photo shoot with Sensei. I'll bring you guys along. Hopefully, I'll be able to vlog. Right? I have an schedule for 3, and this is 3:30. My Uber will be here any moment from now. So I'm running late, so I just decided to pop in to like check on you guys and just like catch up here. Today's Friday. I have a shoot with Sensei. My makeup artist also is probably there already, but I needed to like catch up with you guys, and yeah, let's go. literally just getting back. It's currently, what's time? This is almost 11 p.m. and it's been hell of a day. Crazy, but we thank God. The shoot went well. It was amazing. It was amazing. We got a lot of nice shots. That was it. And I'm just clearly getting in and just wrapping up my day. Decided to check on you guys and tell you how the day went and all of that. And yeah, I'm loving my makeup. I don't want to take it off. I don't want to. I love it. I love it so much. What do you guys think? I think this is cute. But yeah, that's how today went, and that's my pet. Honestly, I don't want to take this. I don't want to take this off. To be honest, I just don't want to take it off. But yeah, let's do this. Let's take the makeup off. I have to get into my night routine. I'll probably do the makeup off camera. I should just go ahead with my routine and all of that. Yeah, today was really awesome. My makeup artist, shout out to her if you're watching this. Just Nini, I'm going to drop her handle right beneath. You guys can check her out. She's really good, guys. Like, no crease lines, no smear lines, and all of that. And makeup is still giving. So probably by next week the pictures are going to be out. I'll probably post that on my socials. That will go up on Instagram, and we'll take it up from there. It's been a good month so far. I'm loving this month. I'm so just into this peaceful era. Oh yes, guys, Lagos has the most I can't say the driver that dropped me tonight, it was really reaching, and I'm like, devil, not today. This guy legit was raining curses on me. I don't know what is it with Uber drivers in Lagos when they see females being their riders, and they just tend to be aggressive. They tend to bring out their ego. I don't know, because you are a male and you're driving a female, your passenger is a female, does that make you less of a man? I really cannot wrap my head around these things, to be honest. I can't wrap my head around it. But I don't want to talk about it. It will just ruin my amazing day that I've had today, and I'm not ready to go into that. So yeah, guys, let's get into removing this makeup and entering into our skincare routine.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm so.
Good morning, guys. It's currently 11 a.m. This is even after 11, safe to be fair. And today is hair day. I want to get my hair done. It's going to be a full day at the salon. So I'm currently waiting for my ride. And I'm extremely late. Like, this appointment is supposed to be for 9. I shifted it to 10. Now this is after 11 and I've not even left my house. It's really crazy. So yeah, we're just going to, like, I've got my nails done. As you can see, I fixed my nails yesterday. Got my lash done. If you haven't seen this, then show up on my TikTok to see it. This aren't lash installation. This is some hack I devised myself. So yeah, I just quickly wanted to check in. I wanted to, like, give you guys an update on what it is like to, just want to check in actually. And then yeah, I'll wait for my ride and let's hit it. Let's go. I don't know if I want to vlog at the salon. I'm still trying to get out of my shell to vlog. Hopefully I'm not shy. I'll carry you guys along if I can make some couple of vlogs right there, but if not, I guess you guys will just see the clip. I look like a mess. So ratchet. Let's go change this look up. So guys, I am ready to leave and I just did a quick hairstyle change. That's hairstyle change. Head wrap. I'm looking like, I don't know what is it giving. But yeah, let's do this.
Now because I'm a girl, you need to help me when I'm sad. You want to help me, but I have the girl.
Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 11:30, I think. Let me check. Oh wow. It's not 11:30, we're actually in the afternoon. So yeah, today is content day, and I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I got my hair done yesterday, but to be honest, I'm not feeling this hair. To be honest, I'm not feeling this hair. It didn't come out as I had expected. Like I had a vision in my head, but found out that didn't come out great. Everyone that's been saying it's kind of nice, kind of okay, suits me, and all of that, yada yada yada, But yeah, so today I'm going to be shooting for some couple of outfits. I have a content for Maka. Got my makeup done already. I did that off camera. And what else? It's pretty much a chill day. It's been raining all morning, and I better start doing this content thing before I get tired, because this rain just spoiled the whole vibe for me, right? But yeah, I decided to pop in and just end the vlog here. Oh, but before I go, I have some package that came in yesterday. This is perfume packages. I wasn't around yesterday, so they brought it in. I don't think it was in it, but I already even like the fragrance coming from it. So it's a couple of things I got this. There's this popular Monsieur perfume that I've been raving about, and I finally lay my hands on them, guys. I'm such a sucker for it. I literally begged this vendor to get them for me. So I got it from the Scent Hive. First of all, I'm just so in love at this minimalist package. You guys can really see, but it's just so cute. There's this perfume kind of thingy going on here. It's so cute. But yeah, that's it. Got this Arabian perfume as well. Kind of matches with my nails. Matches with my nails. I love it. Then Zara Men. She recommended a couple of things. Maybe I'm just going to unbox it. I'm going to do an unboxing video, probably on Instagram or TikTok. I don't know. So yeah, I want to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking by. see you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what vlogs you like to see, what other type of content you guys would like to see. Let me know what you think about this hair. Honestly, this hair, I don't know. Let me know what you think about it though. I'm probably just going to style it in such a way that, you know, I'm gonna like it, but as for now, I ain't feeling it. It ain't giving me nothing. But my friend said it's cute. My sister said it's cute. So I'm going by that. Let me know what you guys think of this particular hairstyle. I'm not going to leave the handle of this salon where I got this hair done, because it's not cheap, first of all. And I spent literally close to 10 hours for this hair. This hair that this thing is not even what will I call it? The thickness is not all that tiny. And I spent literally the whole day at the salon for this, and then it still came out looking like what I don't know. But yeah, that's it. It's not cheap. It's not a cheap hairstyle or whatever, or just maybe the salon is just expensive. Lagos salon, or the way would I put it, it's just vibes and inshallah, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like. See you guys in my next one. Bye.